Okay, good morning, guys, and welcome to another episode of Monthly Technicals. As you all know, this is basically a market outlook session. We get to see what opportunities you can grab. I basically show you guys what I'm looking at here from my perspective. What are those moves I'm looking at? And then you guys get to see how I get my entries and all. Yeah, so now, before we get started properly, for those that are watching this video on YouTube, please like and subscribe to the page, and you can always share and then drop some comments on what you want to be seeing. Yeah, so let's get started. Fundamental wise, we have CPI today. We have speech on GBP. We actually have news on GBP right now. Yeah, high impact news. So CPI might actually move the market a lot today. This is the last CPI for the year. So this is actually going to be a whole lot. And then we have a speech on AUD at night. For me, I'm not actually trading the next year. I'm not trading again the next year. But then I'm doing this session because I don't know, it feels weird not doing it. But I think I'll stop. This week will be the last week for the session until next year before we'll continue. Because next week now I'll start entering into that whole Christmas week. So the market is going to be pretty low. Anyways, let's get started. Let's jump on our charts. So you guys, if you guys look at my pairs, I actually reduced them to 2 now. I am tired of GBP USD and Euro USD, so I've just allowed only NZD USD and AUD USD. Now let's analyze this. So yesterday we sort of consolidated here. We tapped, we went, we did some sort of head and shoulder here, and then we broke below. Now price came back to retest that level and then pushed it down. You get, so now where was that level? Here, this area here. So currently we're sort of bearish, but then price retested that area and then pushed down, and then now it's going back up. Now, if you look at this here, at the time price retested yesterday, there was no entry criteria. There was no shift in market structure, no engulfing candlestick, no bearish pin bar. So most times, from what I've experienced, that most times when price do this sort of stuff, we don't actually hit the TP target. The TP target which have been down here, we don't actually hit it, but then we'll go back, we test those same levels again, and then create an entry criteria before falling. So we can actually pay attention to it. This is what we can watch out for. Can we come and break above this week here? So now if we break above this week here, then we have a shift back into an uptrend. Please, no. Yeah. If we break above, then we can be looking for a retest there. We'll have a shift in market structure. So that's what we're going to be looking at. If we can't get that break, then we'll pay attention as price is coming back into these levels again, whether we're going to get what? An entry criteria. You guys understand? So that's what we're going to be doing. Let's just pay attention and see if an entry criteria will form. Then NZD USD. I really stuff still looks like a range. NZD USD still looks like a range to me. Still looks like a range, but then inside this range, there's this small structure that we can trade. Still looks like a range. I still feel like it's inside that range. I don't want to say something that it's not it, but then apart from that, let me give you guys another perspective. So now another thing we can do is just our most recent low is here. Our most recent high is here. So we can basically watch out and see if price was to break in anyone. If price break anyone, then we'll be looking for a retest. Yeah, so that's what I'm going to be looking out for. Let's just watch and see if price will be able to break. That's all. Which other pair do you guys want us to take a look at before we go? I'm already look. Is there any pair you want us to take a look at?
Good morning, sir.
Good morning.
Good morning, sir. Yeah, USD card.
USD card.
I'm already selling on USD card. I want to confirm if it's valid.
Okay, let's check it out and see. Okay, USD card is actually selling. There's no shift in market structure. Where did you enter the sell from?
I'm already at 70 pips on USD card.
70 pips. So 70 pips from here. Let me calculate that.
Yes, sir.
70 pips. Whoa, 70 pips is up here. Is it the same thing with yours? Was that the point you entered up here? Anyways, the thing you should pay attention to.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That point.
Okay, at the top here, yeah. Okay, no worries then. Another thing you should pay attention to is okay, yeah, USD card broke. We broke below, we came back, we retested, and then now we're still pushing down. So just pay attention to it. Another thing price might want to do is price might want to come and tap into this low here and then go back up. But at the same time, we have not shifted yet, so continue holding yourself. You understand? But at the same time, please, you can start taking partials now or moving your stop loss to break even. For 70 pips is a whole lot. And there's news today. So you don't just take your profits before the news. That's basically it. Is there another pair you guys want us to take a look at?
So can we see Euro GBP?
Euro GBP. Euro GBP.
Does it look bullish?
Euro GBP. I honestly don't. It's bearish. So this is it here. We broke below. We came back. We tested that sort of support onto resistance. Yeah, here. We tested it and then now we're selling. Now, even this retest, there was a break inside. It broke this point here. This was the shift in market structure. So we came back, we tapped inside, and then now we're selling. There's no clear shift in market structure for someone to start taking buys yet. So we're still bearish. Any other pair you guys want to take a look at? For now, for the person asking whether Euro GBP is bullish, yeah? Before you can consider this pair bullish, you must see what a break of a lower high. Do you understand? You must see that shift in market structure. For now, there's no shift in market structure yet. I'm coming. Let me illustrate something. So now you must see price come to either break this lower high here, come back to retest. In short, once it breaks, you have that shift. So you'll be looking for the retest. So that's basically, you must see that break of a lower high. That's when you consider it a shift in market structure. For now, there's nothing yet. Hope you understand.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Is there another question? What questions do you guys have before we go?
So please, can you just run through internal liquidity?
I don't use liquidity. Basically,
Okay.
I just use more. I just use retail strategy. I don't do all that whole.
SMC.
Yeah, one sec. Anyways, but SMC is sha cool. It's just that I don't have that whole concentration to sit. That's the only thing. That's why I don't want to do it. Anyways, in the absence of any question, any other question, we'd like to call it a session. Please, you guys should be paying attention to the market very well. If you don't see your entry criteria, we all have different strategies and all, yeah. If you don't see what you're looking for, don't take any trades. Do you understand? So be more careful. Today is not just a day that for news. We are already in December. We're already heading towards Christmas and all. So the market tends to be tricky. You understand? So have a very beautiful trading day, guys. I'll catch you guys same time tomorrow.